How's it going, everyone? In this video today, I'm going to be showing you all how to convert your Wii to HDMI with this very simple adapter that I picked up for maybe 10 bucks on Amazon. And I will have this link down below. Opening up the packaging, we'll see we're greeted with the adapter here, which simply plugs right into the back of the Wii and then gives you an HDMI out. And this adapter that I picked up actually comes with an HDMI cable too. And setting up this adapter is fairly simple. All you have to do is flip around your Wii here, and then you'll see on the back there's this port where the old AV cable used to go, which is this cord right here. And as you can see, it's the same exact adapter. And it's going to look something like that. And then now all we have to do is open up that HDMI cable they gave us, and then that's going to plug right into the adapter, and then this will plug right into our TV. And on the back of your TV, just choose a port you know. I'm going to plug mine into HDMI 3. And lastly, if you haven't already, go ahead and power up your Wii by plugging in the power brick. And it'll look something like this. Now go ahead and power on your TV and set it to the desired HDMI input. And go ahead and power on your Wii. And yeah, as you can see, that was fairly simple to set up. And for under 10 bucks, you can have your Wii connected to your newer TV with no AV inputs. So thank you for watching, and if you'd like to get this product for yourself, go ahead and click on the link in the description.